other 3 puppy. There's mom bring them here. I lost them many days. I could not find them. Now I found them. Now we has all 7 puppies and 3 in here. It small. It may be 2 weeks ago. They should be just 2 weeks.